Rakhe International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking hasilong haka program balapanya da katanat social welfare ringkat ka jingas nok tilang bat katanat pulit dream bat ka max. Umentri rang baga jalaw konat ke sangma ulalong kumukongsan ulapan pau baka sorkar katrerat ba banya kun persyayo drug. Umentri katanat social welfare uba appalling do ulakran halo ka jindon kam bandon ka jingat lang na kaliang kisnong bakitanat sorkar. Hagan ni kasngi la yasoy ka MOU hapadeng ka dream bat ka nafshatna bat pen klan ya kilat ai jingada bat pen bahabyang ya ka jingim. Hagan ni ka program kaladon du ka jingpen kuburom yikitu kibla yo jingkot bat kinong job ha ka im lang salang.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us acknowledge their unwavering commitment and applaud their contribution to a healthier, safer future for all. Please put your hands together. And You Matters Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society Limited. Prevention and treatment interventions.
But yet, we all understand that the issue of drugs is beyond or is larger than simply the supply chain. And therefore, aspects of health is very crucial. Aspects of social issues, the rehabilitation, the counseling, and all the other activities involved in it are also a major part of ensuring that we're able to tackle in a holistic manner this entire issue of drugs that we are facing. And hence, while the government is there, the police department works towards the supply and the distribution chain, the health department works in terms of providing health support to individuals who are drug addicts, and the social welfare department works towards the social aspects of involving different rehabs and the different activities. It is again beyond just the government. And that's the reason why we are having this program today. And that's the reason why we have started this program, which we call the Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission. And the acronym is DREAM. So the Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission, the DREAM mission, the reason we came out with this is because we realized it's multi-departmental and it is multi-sectoral. And therefore not just the government, but then we need society, we need institutes, we need hospitals, we need communities, we need every single institutional setup that's there in the state and in the country, in fact, to work together to be able to really tackle this very complex situation that is there in front of us.